and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shaddie and we're back. Yeah! Guys, I know I haven't posted a video in a while, but 2023 has been really hectic for me. But you know, I had to give you guys a video before the year ends. So today we're going back to St. Thomas. We're going to a falls that's called Grandpa Falls. Now I'm pretty excited because this falls actually looks like something straight out of a movie. It actually looks like too good to be true based on the videos that I've been seeing on Instagram. So we decided that we're going to take on that trip today. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Yeah, guys, how have you been? Did you miss me? Comment down below, and guys, don't forget to send me suggestions on places that you like to see us go in 2024. All right, so I'm going to show you the way. I'm pretty excited because it's the first time I'm driving to St. Thomas since they have actually opened the full length of the road. So it should be super quick to get to St. Thomas. So let us see. Let's go.
Stop the beat, can't stop the beat, I won't stop the beat, go. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide.
Alright guys, we reached St. Thomas and it actually took 17 minutes from Harborview Runabout to St. Thomas. Can you believe that? 17. So now we're going to go to find our way to Grandpa Falls. It's located in a community called TRINITYVILLE, which is like an hour away from where we are now. So let's go. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Oh.
Grandpa Falls. The drive wasn't bad at all, and honestly,
yeah, it was great.
The roads in St. Thomas have improved tremendously, so don't be afraid to come out here. It was a smooth journey, like 99% of the way it was smooth. So you guys definitely can come. We're gonna go now and go down to the river.
This is it. All the cars park, and then the river is just over there.
Good morning, afternoon. Wow! What are you not walk for? Guys, we're so pleased
It's so
already.
pretty. I'll be in.
Them not being. Anyway, guys, it definitely is what it is. Come.
Animals, they
no matter. Daddy man nobody like work, but you must hustle if you want it. If no finish, they won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they from say I too righteous. No come they from say you do like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad and the beat and the get the time for you dance like Coco. Get the time for you dance like Coco. Make you dance, 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 make you dance, make you dance, dance like Coco, like Coco, like Coco, like Coco, like dance like Coco. You no get the time for the hate, bad and the beat, 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 make you dance like Coco. Standing on my grind, oh yeah, what you want, and you make me dance like Coco.
Guys, it's so beautiful. It cool? Johnny, may I ask you, cool? Guys, we finally reached and it is so beautiful. You definitely have to come here. You have to. The road not bad and it's not that far. Don't make the journey tricky. Just put in Robert Lightburn School or you can put in Grandpa Falls and you get the directions. And you don't have no long walk. This is like one of the easiest in terms of like the trekking. There wasn't difficult. So yeah. And them something I should like, you know. Oh! Them something I should like.
No,
what?
swinging by rope.
We're not
over the bridge.
The next road we go, we're gonna get a little more adventure. Watch him. I don't see them there now. Hi! I don't know how I reach out this, guys. The water cool. Why Anika choose to come a river and not Christmas? Yes! Anika, come lift me up! Hey, I'm cool enough. Look over there. I'm cool bad. May I have brain freeze? Are you a grandfather? I'm telling me now go no, it's a pushing me. It's a video.
We're at the Grandpa's Falls, and now we're in this nice cold river. And as you see, John is in that cool thing. Johnny! I love this river. Go. This is the best river. I want to drop on the side of my tree.
When you drop that wala pa mi.
Actually, I do.
Wala pa mi close.
your foot. And then go on now. Push on the head. Push on the head. You're not afraid, man. Go on now. Can't stand up. Go on, man. Sorry. It's our video? Last episode, man. Go on and take my video, Arnold. Go on. It's really nice. So much falls there. 1, 2, 1 million falls. Okay.
Enjoy ourselves, but that's not like I almost forgot to take up the camera, but it's really great. Come tell them that John. Yeah, enjoy yourself?
Yes.
Best river ever?
Yeah, but I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Ever hungry. Today's a Sunday and it's not packed at all. Nice, not a Christmas time, guys. River night.
Big up, guys. I don't know. That video.
Why not? Alright guys, we're gonna close out this video. I really hope you guys enjoy it just as much as we enjoy ourselves. Would you recommend this to a friend?
Yeah, man. Good for key parties, all events, you know.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Make sure you like and subscribe and let us know if you will be coming here to Grandpa Falls.
LMCS.